No fluff. I have been testing the Dell UltraSharp U4924DW dual quad every single day. Here is what you need to know. Listen, let me tell you about the one thing that drove me absolutely bonkers at first, and it's a problem that a lot of you guys are going to be super frustrated with, the lack of a built-in USB hub. I mean, can you believe it? No built-in ports on this beast, forcing you to scrounge up every last inch of your desk for cables. But here's the thing, and I'm not kidding when I say this, Dell listened. They included 3 game-changing features that make every single one of those cable woes totally worth it. First off, we've got the incredible USB Type-C port. Now, you might be thinking, what's so special about a USB-C port? Well, let me tell you. It allows for lightning-fast data transfer and super-efficient charging on the go. You'll be zipping files around like nobody's business in no time. Next up, we've got the 49-inch viewable screen size showcasing movies, games, and photos with striking clarity. I mean, just look at that thing. It's massive, it's gorgeous, and it's going to transport you to a whole new world of color and contrast. And let me tell you, this is where the Dell UltraSharp U4924DW dual quad truly shines. With 350 nit brightness, you'll be able to take in every single detail, no matter what time of day or night it is. And finally, we've got the dual quad HD screen mode, a visual clarity powerhouse that ensures maximum productivity and takes your workflow to the next level. It's like having 2 screens at once without even breaking a sweat. With this feature, you'll be flying through projects faster than you ever thought possible. Now, I know some of you are thinking, wait a minute, I saw 5 milliseconds GTG response time mentioned online. Is that really a big deal? Well, let me tell you. This thing moves with lightning speed and agility. Whether you're gaming or watching the latest action flicks, you'll be treated to buttery smooth visuals that will leave you speechless. So what's my verdict? I highly recommend the Dell UltraSharp U4924DW dual quad. It's a total winner that's going to take your productivity and entertainment to new heights. Trust me when I say this thing delivers in spades. Don't sleep on this one, folks. Subscribe for weekly reviews that actually go deep. You will not regret it. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.